So you're going to start with a folded piece of white fleece, and you're going to place a piece of paper or other rectangular object on top and trace around that. And then you're going to cut it out with a 1/4 inch hemline all the way around, like so. Now using felt, you're going to cut out 4 identical oval pieces and 4 tiny pink cheek pieces. And then you're going to cut out the ears using folded fleece. So just make a fold in the fleece and then cut out one oval, half oval shape, and then do the same thing again. And that will leave you with your 2 panda ears, so you can set those aside for now. You'll also need to cut out 2 panda noses from felt and 2 circular white pieces from felt. Now taking your rectangular pieces, go ahead and open them up and start placing 2 of the oval and facial details onto that piece of fabric. This one is going to be your awake panda. Take the other piece of fabric and go ahead and put the other 2 ovals and facial features on that one as well. This one is going to make your sleeping panda. Now you're going to pin all of these facial details onto the rectangular fabric and sew them in place. You'll also want to grab those ear pieces and place them on top of each other and then pin those as well, because you're going to sew along the outer edges, but make sure to leave the hole on the bottom open. I used a sewing machine for these steps, but you can also glue or hand sew. When you're done, you should have 2 panda faces like so. And as you can see, I used heart felt instead of the circles for my awake panda. Now you're going to go ahead and flip right sides out your panda's ears and stuff them both with polyfill. Then taking a needle and thread, you're going to just tie a knot in the end of the thread and go ahead and start sewing the smiling mouth onto each of the faces. And using a needle and thread in white, you will also tie a knot at the end, and you're going to now make the sleeping closed eyes on the second face, like so, and then you can add little eyelashes as well, and it will be super cute. So this is how my sleeping panda's eyes turned out, and you can add more or less eyelashes if you'd like, or use a thicker thread, depending on your preference. Now place the panda's ears on one of the fabric pieces and put them inside so that the wrong sides are facing the edges. And then you're just going to want to sandwich the 2 pieces, one on top of the other, pin them and sew them in place, and make sure to leave a hole on one side so you can pull the design all the way right sides out, like so. And from here you will just stuff this with polyfill and sew the hole closed, and then you are done. Now you have your very own reversible, adorable panda plush for day and night. See you in my next video. Bye!